Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain how to convert the bearings from one system to another. Means how to convert whole circle bearing to reduced bearing and how to convert reduced bearing to whole circle bearing. So first is how we are going to convert whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. Whenever the whole circle bearing is between 0 and 90 degrees, in that case, reduced bearing is equal to whole circle bearing. It is taken in case of northeast quadrant. Whenever the bearing is between 90 degree and 180 degree, the reduced bearing is taken as 180 degree minus whole circle bearing. It is in southeast quadrant. Whenever the bearing is between 180 degree and 270 degree, the reduced bearing is whole circle bearing minus 180 degree. It is southwest quadrant. Whenever the bearing is between 270 degree and 360 degree, the reduced bearing equal to 360 degree minus whole circle bearing. It is in northwest quadrant. So this is the conversion of whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. Next conversion is conversion of reduced bearing to whole circle bearing. Whenever it is between northeast quadrant, means whenever it is between 0 and 90 degree, whole circle bearing equals to reduced bearing. Whenever it is between 90 and 180, means southeast quadrant, whole circle bearing equals to 180 degree minus reduced bearing. Whenever the bearing is between 180 to 270 degrees, whole circle bearing equal to 180 degree plus reduced bearing. It is southwest quadrant. Whenever the bearing is between 270 degree to 360 degree, whole circle bearing equal to 360 degrees minus reduced bearing. It is in case of the northwest quadrant. So these are the conversions. Conversion of whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. Next, conversion of reduced bearing to whole circle bearing. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you everyone.